Hello friends, welcome to Dano Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So today's in this video we'll see 20th April today's current affairs and most important GK questions. So we'll start our first question. Who was roped in as brand ambassador of smartphone brand Techno? So for brand Techno Mobile, who is the brand ambassador? Here we are given brand ambassador. He is a Bollywood actor. Options we'll see. Ayushmann Khurrana, Virat Kohli, Rajkumar Rao, Akshay Kumar. So his name is Ayushmann Khurrana. First one. Next second question. When is World Art Day observed? World Art Day observed. Options are April 12, April 15, April 16, April 19. So answer is April 15. Next third question. Which state got its first advanced antiquities management system for preservation of historical objects? So here we can see it is like museum. So you can see all the things historical objects preservation. Options are Delhi, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Goa. So answer is D, Goa. Next, which country to send its rover named Rashid to moon in 2022? So you can see, observe here backside flag is there. So which country flag that is? Options are Iran, Iraq, UAE, Israel, United Arab Emirates. So it is a flag of United Arab Emirates. So Rashid name they will send 2022. So our answer is United Arab Emirates, that is Dubai. Next, fifth question. How many teams of scientists of India and Sri Lanka will undertake research on various areas like food processing, meteorology, etc.? So combinedly, India and Sri Lanka, how many teams are there? Options are 9, 10, 12, 14. So answer is fifth one, there are 9 teams. Next, sixth question here is, which application launched India's first Aadhaar based SIP, systematic investment plans? SIP means systematic investment plans payment feature. So here they are given the app of that. Options are Zerodha, Paytm Money, MobiKwik and ET Money. Answer is, it is ET Money, Economic Times Money. Next, recently SBI General Insurance signed a corporate agency agreement with which bank to offer range of insurance products? So here options given: SBI Insurance, Baroda UP Gramin Bank, Baroda Up Gramin Bank, Pratham Bank, Aryan Rat Bank, Uttar Banga, Kshatriya Gramina Bank. So answer is seventh one. It is D, Uttar Banga Kshatriya Gramin Bank. Next question. Recently, LIC, Life Insurance of Corporation of India, appointed which company to facilitate its digital payments? So here options that are given: Paytm, PayPal, Freecharge and MobiKwik. Answer is, the picture itself is telling that answer, that is Paytm. Next question. Which company has signed a deal to buy renewable energy in India from a local firms wind power projects? Options: Google, Facebook, Microsoft and Amazon. So ninth question, that is Facebook. Next question. Which Indian player set a new world record in the women's 49 kg clean and jerk with impressive 199 kg lift at Asian weightlifting championships in Tashkent? Options: Babita Phogat, Vinesh Phogat, Sakshi Malik, Mirabai Chanu. So 10th question here given photo. So 10th one, it is Mirabai Chanu. Next, 11th question. Who won the Emilia Romagna Formula 1 Grand Prix 2021? So answers, options: Lando Norris, Sebastian Vettel, Lewis Hamilton, Max Verstappen. So answer is here Option D, Max Verstappen. Next 12th question. As per Union Health Minister, India has operationalized how many Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Centers? Options that are given: 75,532, 76,500, 75,434, 76,567. Answer is A, 75,532. Next, recently National Green Tribunal formed how many member committee to monitor remedial steps to improve status of air quality? So National Green Tribunal, how many are there? So committee members 10, 9, 8, 7. Answer is here 8. Next, recently Tourism and Culture Minister Prahlad Singh Patel, Prahlad Singh Patel, has inaugurated the first ever online exhibition on which series? Ramayana, Mahabharata, Hava Mahal and Sai Baba. Answer is 14th. It is Ramayana. Next, who launched the online grievance management portal of the National Commission for Scheduled Castes? So here he is the person who launched the online grievance management. Harshvardhan, Smriti Irani, Narendra Modi, Ravi Shankar Prasad. His name is Ravi Shankar Prasad. So answer is D. Next, recently Ahmad Hussain Lala passed away. He belongs to which sports? So he is Ahmad Hussain Lala. Kabaddi, hockey, cricket and football. Answer is related to football. Next, recently which senior officer of Indian Information Services passed away? Narendra Kaushal, Vipul Singh, Ramesh Sharma, Vikas Acharya. So answer is, it is Narendra Kaushal. What is the theme of this year's World Heritage Day 2021? What is the theme? Options: complex past, diverse futures, shared culture, shared heritage, rural landscapes, heritage for generations. So 18th one, it is complex past, diverse futures, option A. That is the theme of World Heritage Day 2021. When is World Liver Days observed? So World Liver Day. Options: April 6th, April 17th, April 18th, April 19th. Answer is April 19. Next, last question. Which small finance bank announced its collaboration with Fintech NIRA to provide personal loans? So, options: Fino Payments Bank, Airtel Payment Bank, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, Paytm Payments Bank. So, picture itself is telling that here Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. Option C. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.